I just can't let you go. Lord knows.
What's up? What's up? Welcome back to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Today, your girl will be doing an American dish, sweet chili. Now, all my ingredients, I make sure I show them to you. I'll be adding them in the description box. And to make this quick and easy, I bought the already cooked red beans, black beans, pinto beans to add to this sweet chili. So watch me. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please remember to give your girl a like. And I will show you in the screen above how to like the videos. The videos are not being liked. So I used some garlic, paprika, cayenne, chili, oregano, cumin, and a little sugar. I washed my minced beef, yes I do, and I pat dry. This is your girl first time making sweet chili, quick and easy dinner go-to recipe. Once I wash, I pat dry to get any excess water out. So for this recipe, I'll be using 1 white onion, and I chop this as small as, and I'll be using 4 cloves of garlic. I also use a little piece of bay leaf, a little hint of black pepper. I will drop my ingredients in the description box for you. I combined this into my beef and I heated my skillet with some avocado oil. I added my garlic and my white chopped onions to allow to saute until it gets a little color. Then I added in my seasoned minced beef to this. I stir it in to mix the onions in. Then I added me a little piece of Old Bay leaf because I wanted to. Then I added some chili beans, some pinto beans, and some regular black beans. Mixed all this in. And please remember to taste your pot accordingly as you cook. You can always add seasonings. Don't use too much because then you can't remove it. Here I added some granulated sugar. I used 1 tablespoon and I added it twice because I wanted to taste my pot. Then I added some beef stock to help with the cooking of the minced beef. I did not use any salt because the beef stock has salt. I then added some tomato chunks and some tomato paste. Now, sugar is a staple in this and you can use brown or white. I opted to use a little granulated sugar instead of the brown sugar. I mixed this in. Once my beans were added, then I left to simmer. This took roughly 30 minutes to prep. Look at my sweet chili. Now, we had this with some crackers. Quick, easy go-to dinner recipe, especially in the week. Quick and easy. Instead of using a slow cooker, I just used the already prepped beans. This was loved. This was enjoyed. What is some sweet chili without sour cream and a little dash of cheese? Again, we enjoyed this meal. I hope you too will try. Thank you for stopping by my channel again. Thank you for the support. Please remember to give your girl a likey like.